Okay guys, we are at pattern-collections.com. I'm going to scroll down here to pattern focus to find the next pattern. And we are going to do Yful Power Reborn. I don't know if I've done this. I thought I'd done this one already, but it's not connected here. We have one of Mimi's. I believe that's one of Mimi's. Anyway, watch that video. It is a way to do this Yful Power in more of an organic fashion, which is really cool. Normally when you would do this Yful Power, you would do like a grid, a dot grid, and then do these Y shapes. But Ina's got us doing it with this this kind of loop shape, starting with it coming up and make a loop, come up and make a loop, and then grow that loop upward. So come up from here and make another loop, and then up from here, make another loop, up from here, make another loop, and then you just make matching pairs of these going upward. Okay, so if this one's going this way, and then that way, and then this way, then you start the other one going the opposite way, and then you end up with a pair. And then again, if this was going this way, then this one's going the opposite way, and so forth. And you just keep going. And so it makes a more organic looking structure. It's really cool. And they can be long and they can be short, whatever. So let's give this a go. I think I might want it in a larger format instead of square. Let's do it on this one. Okay, let me know if my angle is weird. I'm still working out where to put my camera. It's not quite the way I want it. I don't know. I may have to buy a clamp that clamps to my desk to get it where I want it, because right now I'm not happy with it. We will see. So I'm going to, so that I don't end up way where I don't want to go, I'm going to make myself a border. Like that. Okay. I'm going to start with one that comes this way, and then one that goes this way, and then one comes this way, and then one that goes that way, and one that comes this way, and one that goes this way, and this way, and that way, like that. Okay? And then we're going to go opposite. So that one's going to go like that. Ooh, this is getting very skinny. Well, that's okay. It can be really organic. And then the next one is going to go opposite. And the opposite again. Ooh, that loop was way too big. Oh well. What happens when I lose my concentration? I looked up at my screen to see if that was a good view. I am just not happy with this view. Don't know what to do. Like that. And maybe one more. Do you want to do one more? Sure, why not? Oh, I didn't go up high enough, but that's okay. Oh, I didn't show you guys the next step. Jeez. Okay, so after you're done with that step, then you fill in the little circles, and then you do this little curve. That's the important part. So let's fill these little guys in. So how are you guys? It's a little warm in here. I can't turn on the air conditioner. As much as I would like to turn on the air conditioner, it is way too loud. I'm gonna try, I'm hoping to get some YouTube revenue soon, maybe? I don't know. And from that, I'm going to try to order a microphone that plugs into this camera and a different kind of a mount to maybe mount my camera attached directly to my table that has a better arm so I can adjust where it goes without as much hassle, but that it stays with the table. So if I decide to lower the table, right now I'm doing it standing up, but if I decide to lower the table, then I'll be able to leave the camera in one fixed position. And this room is really, really, really echoey. I may have to go get some of that egg crate foam stuff. And I don't think I'll permanently mount it, but maybe even if I just bring it in the room, or temporarily tack it to the walls, that might help. Okay, so then here goes like this. You guys can't see. I feel like you're just not in the right position. You need to be more, I don't like this. You need to be more downward and closer in. Maybe that's better. Let's try that. So then it goes there, and then there's one goes here, and one goes here, and one goes here. Okay, and then this one goes here, and here, and here, and there. And there. feel like it needs to come up into that space, so I do need a nice thick border. Where's my brush pen? There it is. And I feel like I want to make it. So this one will come up, and this one will come up. And that one will be like here maybe. And this one will be up here. I want to make it go all the way off the edge of the page. And then this one will come this way, and this one would go this way. And I feel like it's missing something here. Like you would see the edge of this, and you would see part of that one maybe. Here and there, and you'd see part of that, and you'd see part of this like that. That's better. Same thing over here. You'd see part of this going off into the side. Okay, and now you do your shading. So this is Yful Power Reborn, and then get some shading, which will be right under where each of those goes inward. And under. Something like that. To start with, smudging helps a lot. Oops, I didn't put pencil there. I missed the spot. Okay, and then I think I want to smudge. Oops, I missed one here too. Goodness sakes. And I think going this way, I want to do this side. Of the curve. side, that side, that side. Like that. Okay. Oops. Didn't do these ones down here. Need to do these. Like that. There you go. That helps a lot with the depth of that. But you'll notice that they are not even. They're all wonky. They're not perfect. They're not even close to being perfect. Somebody's going to say, I can't draw this because it hasn't come out right. Okay. Look at the size, the distance here on this one, and look at the distance here on this one. Because this is a more organic one with the Reborn, it can be wonky like this and it's still correct. Now, if you want it to be a little more precise and tight, then just look up Yful Power without the Reborn part, and you will find it done in a dot grid where these spots are exactly evenly spaced, and then you end up with a more consistent Y. Okay, so there we go. I will see you guys tomorrow. You guys have a great day, and I'll be back. I think I'm done for the day though today. Yeah, it's getting too warm out in here. I cannot turn on the air as much as I would really like to. It is way too loud. And I think I'm going to go research how much it costs to get a little microphone for this thing so that maybe I can turn on the air. We'll see. All right, you guys have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.